Hi, nhớ cho mono bây giờ này tu bây giờ là tua papaya now now, okay? So tonight we are making papaya and my helper is okay. So first of all, we're gonna be introducing our ingredients for the papaya.
This is tomato, this is lime, this is garlic, this is eggplant, and this is papaya.
Okay.
And we have peanuts, fish sauce, sugar, spoons, and a bowl.
Okay. Crab sauce here and pepper here.
And we have this papaya and the scraper to scrape.
We're gonna scrape the papaya.
We'll take turns, I think. You think good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
Can I try?
Charlotte, now.
You're done scraping, then you just cut the tomato into the bowl until you're done.
After that, you're gonna put the other ingredients in the papaya.
Yeah.
What is this?
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna put the eggplant in there too. Just slice it in there.
What is the spicy part that makes the papaya spicy?
We have to put the spicy in there too.
The pepper.
The pepper. Yeah.
So the dry pepper?
You can use the dry pepper. We can also use the fresh pepper too. But today we're gonna be using the dry pepper because it'll
We
be
don't
too
have
spicy for you guys, okay?
Okay. No,
And
for
then
the lime.
we're gonna do the lime. We're gonna slice the lime in there too.
I don't think we're gonna probably just do 2 of them.
Maybe a little bit of the lime in there. A little bit of the lime in there. Okay.
Now for
Alright.
The
garlic.
Yeah, the
So
garlic.
the garlic, we're gonna smash it with this.
Can we take turns here? And put both of them in?
So just one.
Just one?
Mm-hmm. Here, use this. Okay, let's cut it up first before
So it's easier.
we helps. Try to get the garlic. Okay. I like a lot of peanut.
Because
So
there
we'll
is
put quite a bit in there. Okay, that's good.
no, yeah.
Okay. So, alright. And then we'll add a little bit of the crab sauce.
Crab sauce. Smells good.
Crab paste.
Paste.
It's all in there. Let me keep it.
Let's get stuck in
Yeah, it's stuck on it again. It's
Okay.
fine. Just leave it.
there. Then we're gonna
Here.
put some of the
Pepper.
pepper in there. Oh, we'll do all of them. It's not too spicy. These are not too spicy.
And it looks like papaya.
We'll put some of the crab sauce in there too. Okay, that's good, Joe.
You can just leave it.
We'll do all of them. cho nó như bác hả. Okay. Tamarind.
Oh, that looks good. You don't have a lot. Are you supposed to use a lot?
Use all of this.
I see this at the Monk store a lot.
You can get these at the Monk store.
A lot of these actually.
And then
Sugar?
some sugar in there. Some sugar in there.
Just mix it. Oh, it's getting thick.
Okay, that's good, John. So that's good. So a little bit of the fish sauce, not too much because these are a little, already, they're ready. So we just add a little bit of fish sauce to it. Okay. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is, we'll just take that. And then we're gonna mix the sauce with the papaya, okay?
Wait, are you gonna
Right
pour
there.
it?
Yep, and we're gonna pour it in here. Right in here, okay? If you mash the papaya, then it won't be too crunchy. But if you mix it like this, it'll be
Crunchy.
it'll be crunchy and it'll
Just
last.
added a little bit of this, a little more of this.
Yeah, if you like eggplant, you can add more eggplant to it.
It smells good.
Yep. It smells good.
More vinegar.
Just a little bit here. Let's try it out.
Yay! I want some too.
It's very good.
It's just sad. I remember this.
Just a little bit. Okay, now. Alright, so. Voila. And I'll put this on a plate.
Okay, so after we're done with the papaya, we cook sausage, and we have our food now.
There's some rice too.
Yeah. Dinner time!
Bye.
Bye.
See you guys next time.
Like this video.
Put it like making our dinner.